On the sidebar, not from on the sidebar, yeah, on the left side, yeah. When you go to on the left side, when you go to additional information and then secure document verification. So those two places, the two documents are the two passport pictures.
Yes, I think it's on his second name, DPM, not the one that shows +3. The second name, when you click on that one,
you see, yeah, that's why I say that this thing, this is different. Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the second name because his name appeared twice. So
yeah.
Let's see. So it's going to be on the contact. Okay, Paul. So I know there's one that says +3, and then there's one that says Chuku. Okay, so let's go to
yes, DPM, not the one with +3, the other one.
oh, the other one. Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, great. Hold on 1 second. So let's start with.
Good. How are you?
Okay, I've got Chukwudolu Paul.
Do you want me to take off my glasses?
Okay, please do. Okay, great. Okay, so I see that. Then the second document is his.
Okay, great. We got that. Then the last one is your signature page. Okay, I think we are good. I think. Do you have any questions for us?
No.
All right, thank you so much. You can log out. Let's go to the person that was going to work.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you. You're welcome. Within the next 24 hours, you're going to get an email from the United States of Biafra government that your capturing has been successful and they move you to the next stage for the ID card. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go to Green. You can log out, please. Green. Green, you say you had an appointment today. Unmute yourself, please. Unmute yourself. You're muted. You're muted. Green, unmute yourself, please. Okay, sorry. Hold on 1 second, please. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Go ahead and unmute yourself, please. Did any admin pause the unmute button for anyone, please?
No, I didn't. Well, I'm not an admin anyway, so.
He cannot unmute himself. I don't know why, but I heard his voice before. Honorable Chair Christopher, can you check your body? Did you meet anyone? Who are you talking about, DPM? What's the person's name? From your admin, can you click on the unmute button? Did you meet anyone? Masuche and Christopher.
It says plus, although it says that
I just want to make sure that they did not mute anyone. So no, but the settings allows participants to unmute themselves. So everybody can unmute themselves. Those who want to speak can able to do that. Mr. Green, can you unmute yourself? For some reason, you have the option to unmute yourself. Nice. We can see your picture, but your button is muted. So why can't he unmute himself? I know that for my own end, he can unmute himself. Let me see. Yeah, I've also asked him to unmute. I've also said ask to unmute, so he can just say yes. So I don't know. He's probably not on the computer. I don't know. He's on the computer. He's right there. We can see his face. Okay.
Good morning, PM. While we are waiting for Green, can I come in?
Hold on.
Well, the thing is, he said did not pay here. I don't know.
I want you to start first. Mr. Green, you want to log out and log back in because you have the power to unmute yourself, but for some reason, your listener is not unmuting. So do you want to log out and log back in, and then we'll get you once you come back? I don't know why you cannot unmute yourself. Okay, let's go to the next person. Who was talking? Elvis, do you have an appointment today?
Yes, ma'am. I have an appointment today.
What's your name?
My phone name is Tabere Chukwu. Elvis Mosu.
Tabere Chukwu. What's your name? Mosu.
Yeah, that's the last name. Yeah.
Oh, that's your phone.
Saya seorang lelaki.
Okay. You made an appointment today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Verify and confirm. Okay. So let's go to Elvis, right? Okay. Good.
Yes.
Let's go to the.
So, can you hear me now?
Okay, so let's see your picture. I can see you. Okay, great. Let me see. Okay. All right. Okay, confirmed. Let me go Elvis one. Thank you so much. You can log out.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's go to the next person. I don't saw Green now. He's I don't know if he's still ready.
Mama, I have
Are you
a
ready,
question.
Green? What is your question?
Am I having a capture today?
What is your question?
I think I scheduled for a capturing today. So is it done already?
It's done. You're gonna receive an email within the next 24 hours. So basically what that capturing is doing is to ensure that the information, the documents you uploaded matches with your facial identification. And that has been confirmed. So within the next 24 to 48 hours, you're going to receive an email from the government that your capturing has been completed. It's going to move to the next level where we are going to be working with the ID card company on those that have been captured. And you can log out if you don't have any other question.
Okay, the last one. Do we have a time frame of expectation of the ID?
For now, we don't really have any time, but again, it's not going to be more than, I don't know. We have to get from the ID card company. But just this capturing is the most important thing. So we're working on the third batch of the United States of Biafra ID cards. And once that is ready, we'll let you know.
Okay, that'll be all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. You can come out. Next person. Good evening, ma'am. Yes.
Sister Caroline, I call you and I send message. And then you send the link to me that I should contact Christopher, but I told you that I didn't have his contact number.
Please hold on. Yeah, we are dealing with people that have appointments today. We'll get to you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much.
But I'm driving. Okay.
Okay, if you're driving, that's even more reason why you should hold on, because we can't even capture.
No, my son is driving me. We're on the way. So I want to do it so that
just hold on. We are taking those that have appointment today. Who else have appointment? Prince, iPad, do you have appointments today?
DPM, good afternoon. I don't have appointment today. I had my appointment. It was supposed to be last week Friday.
No, I don't need cook. Thank you. Sun City, do you have appointments today? Sun City, OnePlus, do you have appointments today? All right. Prince, you say you had an appointment last week, right?
Yeah, last week Friday, but I didn't get.
What's your name, please? What's your name?
Ugochukwu.
E-N-E?
No, E-D-E.
Hold on. Is +1, so I don't know if he has if he has paid.
I did pay.
them. I omitted
Please hold
myself.
on. Please, just hold on, please. Okay, how are you? Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we have 2 weeks ago. So let's see.
Can we check the payment? Please?
The payment confirmed. Said payment confirmed. Marcus, it says payment confirmed. Honorable Chair, are you there?
Okay.
Okay, so let's do the document. Okay, we got the
Yes, yes, I'm here.
signature.
I think his picture is not. I don't know what file format he uploaded. If it's PDF file, because it doesn't.
Okay, I see, it's, and then we go to, like, I was able to open the driver's license. Where is he?
Yeah, I'm here.
I need your face.
Okay.
Okay, remove the glasses, please. Okay, hold on. Okay. Sit place here. Okay, the 2x2. The 2x2. 2x2. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, we got it. Thank you so much. Do you have any questions?
Because of GCKO,
All right.
doing great.
Good, thank you so much. You can log out. Thank you. Let's see. Call you in. Okay, so let's go to the next person.
Yeah, madam.
Okay, Honorable Chair, you're there, right?
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yes, I'm here.
You have appointment today, Tassie.
I was notified on
Okay, hold on. Okay. Sun City, do you have an appointment today?
Yes, ma'am. So, but I want to ask something.
Okay. Do
Is
you
my
have
boss-
an appointment for capturing today?
No, not for capturing, but about my ID.
Hold on.
So is my admin that my admin is.
One plus, do you have an appointment today? We are first taking those that already scheduled appointment today. One plus, do you have appointment today? Zoom user, do you have an appointment today?
No, I don't have appointment, but I want to ask about my ID.
Okay, hold on. Anyone that have question? Okay.
Yes, I don't have
One plus, do you have an appointment today?
No, I don't have an appointment today, but I just want to know.
Okay, hold on. Okay, good. So those all of you that your hands are up, does any of you have an appointment scheduled today, Friday?
Yes. I have an appointment.
Or do you have an appointment scheduled either today or the week before that weekend? It's fine.
Yes.
Who was talking?
That's it.
That's it. Okay. So anyone that have appointment scheduled on the new website, either before today, it is okay to So what is your name, sir?
Okay.
Okay. Hold on. Did you use the application on the new website?
No.
It's not. We only first, you're not supposed to say, we only say those that applied on our new website. Those are the people we are taking first. We did not apply on the new website. So, any other person here who applied on the new website who has had an appointment either before or now? Either before or now. Please mute yourself if you're not talking. Mary, you have an appointment either before or now or today.
Today, man.
On the new website?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. What's your name, please?
Mary Ike.
Okay, hold on.
I can't see.
You can?
Hold on, please.
Okay.
Did you apply on the new website?
I think so, because Reverend Ebenezer, they gave me the website I applied.
Which website?
Oh, Lord.
No, your information is not here. So I don't. You have to go back and check where you applied, because Amartis, Buche, did you pull her?
No, she's not here.
Buche, did you pull her?
Not from here.
All right. So you did not apply the new one.
I did apply, and my they withdraw the money on my account. I told Reverend Ebenezer too.
Send your receipt to Amartis on Buche or myself.
Okay.
Let's go to the next person, because you're.
Yes, so sorry, before she goes, just wanted to be sure, Sister Mary Ike.
Yes.
This is the same name you used to apply, Mary Ike, right?
Yes, yes.
And when did you apply, please?
It was on the 19th of October.
19th of October.
Yes, October.
And Mary is spelled M-A-R-Y, right?
Yeah, M-A-R-Y.
Okay.
And do you remember the name of the website you applied with?
I have to go back and look at it.
Please check why we attend to other people.
Yeah.
Okay.
But again, your name is not in the USB system, so go just check the receipt and forward the receipt. But you did not apply in the USB website. Let's go to the next.
I did.
No. What I'm saying, it's not in the United States of Biafra website. I don't know where you applied. It's not there. It's not in our system. So I don't know where you applied. Go and check where you applied, and then we'll figure it out. Go from there. But you did not apply in the right place. You have to go to UnitedStatesOfBiafra.org. United States of Biafra is one word. United States of Biafra.org. Then you click on ID, and then it's a very simple process. That's where you're gonna go and submit your information and make your payment. Who else have an appointment today? Some city have an appointment today or before today. You applied on the USB website before today. Huh? Yes. Did you apply on the USB website?
Yes.
Thank you. What do you have appointments today?
Admit, send me this thing. This the link.
Do you have an appointment today?
No, ma.
Please, ma. I applied on the USB website.
On the United States of Biafra website, not usb.gov. Which one? Where did you apply? Where? When did you apply? We're just taking those that applied first, that have appointments today. And then after that, we will go to those of you that applied before or in a different location. But now we just want to take those that have appointments today that applied on the new website. Then we'll come to the rest of them, please. So be patient. Those of you that applied before on the other area. Give me 1 second. Okay. Any person that have an appointment today or applied within the past 2-3 weeks on the new website, Samsung SM, you have appointment today. Do you have an appointment today? Okay. So Caroline, do you have an appointment? You already said you don't have an appointment. So I believe we've taken everyone that have their appointment.
Good evening.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I have appointment today.
You have appointment today?
Yes, I have applied. I have filled the form.
Did you schedule an appointment for today?
Yes, because I have already complained about my ID because.
Did you have excuse me? Did you do your application on the United States of Biafra.org on the new website?
Yes, I did application, okay. But when I put my account details, so the thing failed. So since that time, I've been trying again to fill the form, but the thing did not work.
Okay, hold on 1 second. And what is your name?
My name is Uche John Wafa.
Hold on. So there's nothing on about you. Okay. So you're not in the system. You go back and do the application. You're not in the system. Okay. So let's go to the next person. Okay, now I think we're done with those. I have appointments scheduled for today. I don't know much this on our future.
I think we'll just do that lady that was in the car, and that's it.
So now let's go ahead and take those that does not have appointments today that are here. Either they have applied before or have questions related to their IT, even though we are just for them. Okay, so let's go to
Excuse me, please, I want to ask you a question, please.
What's your question?
Yeah, please, like for me now, I base in Asia country. So I want to know if the thing, because I was confused after when I
Go ahead with your question. You have 30 seconds. What's your question?
Okay, so I was asking if the thing is allowed for this, like me now based in Asia country here. So I want to know if the thing is allowed.
What is
Whether
it?
if I apply, because all my system, all whatever thing I'm using is basically in this country. You understand? I don't have any access to any bank account in our homeland. So, but I have for where I base here.
I don't know what you're talking about. You go to the website. Just follow the instruction, please.
Okay.
Another thing,
Let's go to the next person, please. I don't know. Briefly, whatever you want to say, go to the next person. You go to the first website first, read that and understand before you come and ask question. The question you already asked is in the website.
Your Excellency, just let me give me a little help. You can go to your admin, if you know your admin in the country you reside, and tell the admin to help you fill in. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Let's go to those that are pending. If your question has been answered, just log out, please. If your question has been answered, you can log out. We just want to make sure that only those that needs to be here for one reason or the other are here. If your question has been, if you have not gone to the new website, and let me put it on the chat section so that you will know where to go. Is again, sometimes some people say, oh, they are clicking, they can't see that, so just make sure you put the HTTP.
I also put it on the link. Your Excellency.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, Mark, please.
Yes, I put the link on Twitter on the security and the Interior and Homeland Security handle account on Twitter. So the link is there. You can easily just click on it, and that's it, and you go. So if you're having problem with it, so you can also go to my account now on that piece, and you also find it there. So the link is there. It's easy. Just click and then you
okay. Those on this site, I've typed in the website where you can go, and sometimes some people they just type the United States of Biafra again because it's a new website. If you just search it and you don't see it, you have to put in the HTTPS / United States of Biafra.org. So the way that I just write it right now, write it that way. Sometimes you just put United States of Biafra.org, you may not get that. Some people put www. But if you put the HTTPS / United States of Biafra.org, it will take you to our website. And then if you look up, you will see where it says ID card, or you scroll down to the body of the website, you will see where it says ID card. Apply for your ID card. It's a very simple process. You go ahead, put in your information, and make your $100 payment, or €100 payment, or £100 payment, and you submit that. Once you submit, you're gonna get an email from the email that you put. Make sure you put the right email. And on that email is not going to tell you to schedule your capturing. For now, we want our capturing to be every Monday, and it's gonna be by 2 p.m. Eastern time, which for now is like 8 p.m. Biafran time. Every Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern time, which is 8 p.m. Biafran time. Remember, we've not started doing homeland applications. The only application we're doing now is for diaspora. No homeland yet. That's why this 2 p.m. Eastern time, 8 p.m. different time is okay for those in diaspora. We know those in Europe, it might be a little bit, but for now, I don't know, Mouthpiece, the 2 p.m. is that okay? Or we'll do it like 12 p.m. Could you 6 p.m. different time?
The thing, it depends on the one I'm not working. Yeah.
Okay. So we can still do the 2 p.m.
Yeah, so if I'm not working on the Monday, that's okay.
2 p.m. on Monday, there will always be people there. So 2 p.m. on Monday, every cabinet is involved in this. So every Monday, those that are scheduling their appointment, just know that we are moving it to every other Monday. We'll be sending out the Zoom. To their house. We'll be sending out the Zoom so that you can come into the meeting. Okay, again.
Your Excellency, should I close the new website as those who applied with the new finished? So I close the. Should I wait?
Hold on 1 second. Hello?
Please, I have something to say, please, because I applied for my wife, and she have an appointment today. I just come in, please.
Sorry, you say what?
I applied for my wife on 26th of November, so she have an appointment this evening by 8 o'clock.
Is she here?
Yeah, she's here.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Marcus, you were saying something. What were you saying?
Yeah, I thought maybe those who applied on the new website are finished, so I can close the website in my laptop. That's what I'm asking. So if we are now taking those who have applied before, not on this website. But we have a new person now, so.
Sorry, can we go to the what's the name of the person that say that your wife applied? What's the name, please?
Christopher Antonia, ma'am. God bless you.
What's the name?
My name is Christopher Antonia.
Christopher Antonia. Hold on 1 second. Christopher. The T, is it with a TH or just one T?
One T.
One T, okay. Antonia, N-I-A, okay, hold on. It's not, it's a T, with a TH, so, okay.
Yeah, I already found it.
Okay.
Antonia Christopher.
Christopher, okay. 1 second. Which you found it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I found it too.
Okay, let's check the picture.
And next week, 2 of my kids. It's having an appointment again next week, 2 of my kids.
Okay, Antonia Christopher, can we see your face name, please? Where is she? Okay, let's see. I don't know why it's so dark. I don't know, are you facing the... Are you facing the... What's up with... Okay, great. It's better, right? Yeah. Okay. On the butcher mouthpiece. Okay, that's fine. That is for Christopher Antonia with a TH. All right. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hold on, DPM. Can you check her signature? Because from here,
I can. Okay, yeah. I see it now. Okay, thank you.
Okay,
I got my DPM. What about next week? For the other of my kids, two of my kids, I think that one next week.
Okay, yeah, within the next 24 to 48 hours, Ms. Antonia, you are going to get an email from the government that your capturing has been completed successfully, and then we wait for the ID card. Okay, thank you so much. You can log out if you don't have any question for us.
Okay, no question again.
Okay, thank you. You can log out. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Let's go to any other person that has an appointment previously scheduled or scheduled today.
Maybe I was previously scheduled.
What is your name? Did you apply on the United States of Biafra website, the new website?
The new one. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And what's your name, please?
Beatrice Chinwe Obiekwe.
Beatrice. Chinwe.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Hold on 1 second.
How do you spell it? How do you spell your name, please?
First name Beatrice, second name Chinwe, last name Obiekwe, Obiekwe. I applied in March.
Okay, March, our website was not your name. We cannot pull you up next. That means you don't have any appointment scheduled for today, and we cannot pull you up. So hopefully we're just taking those that are scheduled for today or before today. Just applied on the new website. Then after that we can come back.
I applied on the new website. I can give you the information.
The information is not there, man. Let's go to the next person. It's not there. We already searched. We will come to you. Then maybe you send your information and your receipts, and we know where you applied, but not on the new one. Any other one here that has an appointment scheduled on the new website that applied for their ID card? We captured Christopher Anton. You can log out. I don't know if you're still here. Let's go to the Zoom user. I don't know if you have an appointment today. And then OnePlus.
No. I don't have an appointment.
Okay, OnePlus. Do you have an appointment today? OnePlus.
I have an appointment today. No.
You have an appointment today. OnePlus. Okay, let's go ahead, please.
Not OnePlus. I'm passing.
I know. I'm just saying what I said. What is your name?
Cassie.
Can you say your name?
Cassie.
And what's your other name?
Ivan Azulike.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Kasie, right?
No, T. Casie.
I don't see his name. I don't see him. What's your surname, please?
Casie.
Is that your surname?
So your name is not here. So again, we don't know where you applied. You're not in the system. Let's go to the next person.
Applied before now. I have applied some months ago.
Yeah, hold on. We're just first taking those that applied. They have appointment today, and those that applied on the new website. I'm not sure you applied on the new website because your name is not in the system. It's not on the new website. So, okay. So appointment today? If not, any other person that have an appointment today, you can talk. If not, we'll go to those that have questions previously. I believe we've taken everyone that have applied on the new website that presents today for capturing. Okay, let's go to the pending ones. Pending. Okay, Miss Caroline, go ahead, please. Caroline, Miss Caroline, go ahead, please. Miss Caroline, unmute yourself. You say you're driving.
Good evening, ma. I just got home now. I applied for my ID. I was among the first batch that applied, and they sent that is approved, and I paid all. I even assist my husband to apply. My husband has received his own ID, but I that did first, before I forced him into, I haven't received mine, and it shows that I've paid everything. I'm not owing.
Okay, thank you. Can you give us your surname?
Umar, U-M-A-R.
U-M-A-R. Umar.
Yeah, Umar, yeah.
Umar Caroline.
Yes.
Which country are you?
I'm in UK, but I joined Netherlands people to do it because I came from Netherlands. So every activities I'm doing. As of the time I applied through Netherlands.
As at the time you applied, what address did you use? Your delivery address or home address?
It's my address.
Your UK address or your...
Yeah, my UK address.
Okay, so what happened is that the ID cards that was sent to the UK due to the representative there was not available to pick them up. It was returned and it will be resent again. So I can see your name here. Your ID card has been printed. So once it gets delivered to perhaps since you are in Netherlands, so you're currently in Netherlands, right?
No, I'm living. My husband is still in Netherlands, but I and my children are in UK. But I like to participate through Netherlands in everything that I'm doing. I'm doing it through Netherlands.
Well, at this point, the address you have provided is the one for the UK, but if you
want that's my address.
To Netherlands, you would have to write an email to info@unitedstatesofbiafra.org stating your full name and the address you would wish for your...
Okay, so I put that. Hold on, man, please hold on. The ID, where is it now? Where is her ID?
It is part of the ones that was sent back to the European representative from the UK, because the UK ID cards were returned back since the representative there was not available to pick it up at the estimated period. So it was sent back to the sender.
Where is that ID now?
That's what it's in Europe with the European representative.
Oh, what is the name of the European representative?
Mercy.
So do you know the number of IDs that she has that belongs to you?
I sent you that information.
Is she here? Is Mercy here? Can you send her this song, please, to knock it here?
You mean me?
No, I'm not talking to her, please. Which I send Mercy this Zoom to log in, because if the European, those in UK, the ID was sent out. How did her husband get his own, and she didn't get her own?
My husband is in Netherlands.
Oh, Netherlands, okay.
But I and my children.
Okay. In
England. And that's why I put my England number.
Okay, good.
so that they will post it to me. Even if you require me to pay back, I will pay.
It's okay. We don't need too much. I know what you're talking about. We just want to know how to get your ID to you as quickly as possible. So the information I got is that those that were sent to, I think that England was returned back. So now, Honorable Uche, those that were returned back, have we done any announcement for all the people in that in England that requested for the ID card or their ID card has been printed? Have we informed all of them that Mercy has their ID to send their address to Mercy, or it's just laying somewhere?
I think once Mercy joins, she will be the one to respond to that. Just a moment.
Okay, because again, there's no way people will know that their ID card is lying somewhere without sending information so that they can send their address to a particular individual who will need the phone number or the email so that they can. Okay, I think she's coming. All right, Miss Mercy, welcome. Hello, Mercy.
Yes, good evening, my DPM.
Good evening, welcome.
Good evening, everybody.
Great. So, can you tell me which people's countries' ID cards are with you, and if you know the numbers, the one that was returned or any other one?
I don't have information concerning their addresses or countries.
No, I just want to know which country and how many are there.
I think there are 32 ID cards, but I can't tell the countries because there is no. When I got it, that was when they were working on the new website, so I couldn't access their address and.
Yeah, but I know when you send that, the ones that were returned, the ones that was returned that you sent to a particular country, do you know the country or who returned it to you, or from where did they return?
The 32 I said that
was it from Finland? Is it Finland IDs, or was it Norway IDs, or Netherlands IDs, or London IDs, or UK IDs? Which one was returned to you?
No country among the European countries I sent ID cards to, none have returned to me. They are still holding it and still distributing. The 32 I have with me, 17 of them was sent to me by Honorable Uche from Finland. Those were the remaining ones from they had when they distributed the first batch in Finland. So it's only names written on them, no address was written. Then the remaining 15 I have with me, after addressing the 187 that came to me for the European Biafrans, 15 was left, which I could not finish before the website issue came up.
Okay, so we have somebody here. Her name is, what's your name again?
I'm Caroline Uma.
Okay, Caroline Uma. I don't know if you have Caroline Uma's ID because she is here and have not received her ID card. Because I was thinking that
Mercy, what the DPM is asking about the UK, can you explain the situation with the UK ID cards that you sent and it was returned?
Yes, I sent 45 ID cards to UK the same way I sent with the registered post to other European countries. And before I sent it, I informed all the heads of mission that I will be sending ID card. I requested for their addresses, which they all sent to me. And immediately I post the ID cards to every region. I sent them the copy, the ID cards.
Just which ones returned. That's all. Just which ones that returned back to you. That's all I just want to know. I know that I know the process. You went through the whole process. I'm just saying that maybe as Uche was saying, the ones that came back from UK, because we have somebody here from UK that have not received. So wanted to know whether it was all the UK people. Did they return back to you? That's what I want to know.
It's still on the way. It has not gotten to me.
Okay.
Since how many?
All right. So but is it all the ones from UK that are on their way now?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Okay, great. So that's all I wanted to know. So if you are here, anyone here from United Kingdom, you should know that your ID card is going to get back to Honorable Mercy, and then you can go ahead and send your correct address to Honorable Mercy so that she can individually now send that to everyone. Because what we did before was to send that batch by batch, country by country, which was a very great thing. Majority of their friends, they've all received their ID cards. But for some reason, just one or two countries was returned back. And what we're trying to do is, once she gets those ID cards back, there are actually two options. Once she gets those ID cards back, then if you are here and you are in United Kingdom, just know that your ID card is on its way back to the government. And what Honorable Mercy will do once she gets that is to maybe notify their friends either by their first name or last initial, just like we did here in the US. I got a couple of ID cards that was returned back, and you can see all of them. These ID cards that were sent out to their friends in America, and it was returned. I only handled the United States of America. So all this, anyone here, we send the information out. And I believe many of their friends saw that. And again, many people have written to me to claim their ID card. So what we're going to do, just like I was saying, what Mercy is going to do once that comes back. And again, these things take time. So don't be too worried, because we have to use the most effective, cost-efficient way to send those ID cards. It's not as if the United States of Africa is a millionaire, or we are printing our own money yet, or we're going to assign appropriate budgeting to things like that. So it is from the little donations that their friends are giving every weekend that we are now using those resources to do all these things. So it costs money. So if we have wanted to do it by the highest classified way to receive it, it will cost us thousands of dollars, and we don't have that. So that is why we have to use the minimum cost to be able to send it. And thousands of their friends have received their ID card using that format. Those that have not received that, I implore you to exercise patience. And the most important thing is to know that the ID card is being returned back to the government, just like I got the returns, and I notified everyone. And people have now been sending me information on even how to send it to them. Even some I would pay for FedEx to send it to them, which is great. Those that have not been claimed, who are still during this process, notify people of their ID card. That is one option. I'm just going to quickly just say the first name and last initial of the ones that came back to me. I have Dixon C, and it's always either America or Canada, because somebody else did Europe, somebody did Asia, somebody did Africa, and all that. I think I African too. Dixon C, the ID card is waiting. Paul C, the ID card came back. Dominic M came back. MRMD came back. Uzo W came back. Oba B came back. Egu CJ came back. Isiewu B came back. Mordu G came back. This one is Chukwuchi came back. So now if your name among the ones I called, just text me with your address and you'll get it. The other option we have is on the new website. The United States of Biafra government website is a very simple application process. While you are waiting for the other one, you can also, if you want, if it's okay, go ahead I think they are still figuring that out because we want to have the full information of those whose ID card, who have not gotten their ID card. And I know people are asking, can we just go ahead and apply for the new ID and all that? Again, we do not want individual Biafrans to have two ID card numbers. That is why we are waiting for those that will come back, those that will be returned, those that will be undelivered, so that we are actually going to coordinate the ones that were returned. Wait, in case a person now wants to apply for a new ID card on the new website, because what we're going to do is to now include that one that is unreturned. We're going to include it and mail it back to the ID card company so that it will be either the same ID card number or we have to find a way to do that. So if you've not received your ID card, as long as it's somewhere, just exercise a little more patience, please, and hopefully it's gonna get to you. So the madam that just talked, you now can be assured that your ID card.
Excuse me, our DPM. I'm happy for what you said, but if I can get Sister Mary or her number, her address, so that I'll send my address, although my address is already there. Even if you want me to pay, I will pay her.
Yeah, it's not about payment. And Miss Mercy, you can collect her address right now. It's not about the money, it's not about the payment. Because if her list is on the United Kingdom visa that is being returned to Miss Mercy, Miss Mercy, you can collect her address so that when eventually come back to you, you can mail it to her.
Miss Mercy, okay, how can I get your address? How can I get your number and send my address?
Are you in the UK WhatsApp platform?
No, I'm in Netherlands, but I live in UK. I joined Netherlands group.
Do you have my phone number, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Text your address to me and I'll send it to her. Let's go to the next one.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let's go to the next
Thank you, my dear. Thank you, ma.
Okay, I'll make sure you put pending ID card.
All right.
Kingdom, then your name and the address. I'll send it to her.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Okay, you can log out. Thank you so much.
Let's
go to the next person. Again, if you have an appointment today, because we're gonna end this hopefully in the next 15 minutes. We started every 2 hours for this. So hopefully in the next 30 minutes, we should be rounding up. If you have an appointment today, please let me know. Those are the highest priorities that we schedule their appointments because we have the database of those to check. And if not, we're just going to take to those that have Miss Mary, can go ahead, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Very fast.
I paid I applied on New Dimension.
We don't do application on New Dimension. It's going to be either Biafra Security Administration or the new website.
Okay, I have the receipt. That's where it's showing the New Dimension Florida.
That's a pay. New Dimension what?
Florida, FL.
Again, there's nothing like New Dimension Florida.
Okay, I paid on New Dimension.
Okay, so where did you do your ID card application?
That's where I did it. Reverend Ebenezer forwarded the website to me.
Is Reverend Ebenezer here, please? We don't do ID card on New Dimension website. Is Reverend Ebenezer here, please?
He's not there.
When did you do that? When was that?
On the 19th.
Of what?
October. I had the receipt.
It doesn't matter. Your name is not in the system, ma'am. We don't know where you applied. So again, you can reach out to Honorable Ebenezer and send you whatever site he sent to you. You can send it to me or you can tell them. But your name is not in the system. Thank you so much. Let's go to the next person, please. Thank you. You can log out. Maybe when you send this site, we can go from there. But for now, there's nothing we can do because your name is not in the system.
Okay.
All right, thank you so much. Let's go to the next person. Sonsi, go ahead, please. Unmute yourself, Sonsi.
Okay.
All right, Mohammed, I thank you again. Let me speak our language. I don't know if it's allowed.
Please go ahead. 1 minute you have whatever you want to say.
I applied on July, and I've made my payment.
Where did you apply? To the BSA?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. July.
Sorry?
You said July.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you applied in July, what is your name?
Okay. Tabuko. Onye Pichiro Marquis. Tabuko Onye Pichiro.
And you said it was in July 2025, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, can you repeat again? Romanos what?
Tabuko.
Tabuko Onyebuchi. Did you get a receipt?
Receipt?
You said you applied. After your application, did you get a receipt for the confirmation that you applied?
Yeah, who applied it, he said that they admit to we confirmed.
Who applied? Did you make your payment? How much did you pay?
I paid $100.
He said whoever applied, what was the receipt? Who applied for you?
I have the receipt here.
Okay.
I had a receipt here.
Okay. So forward the receipt. Forward the receipt to Ogebuchi or me, or forward it to Christopher. We'll check on that and somebody's gonna get back to you. If you applied in July, we are trying to treat those that applied before and those that were application is still pending. So if you apply in July and we confirm that, hopefully it's going to be on the third batch of applications. Okay.
I have my application number also if you need it.
What is it?
DSA.
008-725.
008725.
Okay, 25. Okay. All right. So we'll check that, and if what we're gonna do, those that we confirm their application and their payment, and we may be able to move that over to the new site to go into the third batch that we're gonna print. Okay. Do you have any other question?
Okay.
All right, thank you. You can log out. What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
79
What? Now start all over. I didn't hear that.
Plus 79.
Mm-hmm.
58.
58.
15.
15.
16. Sorry, ma. 16.
16.
92.
9 what?
92.
Okay, plus 7958 1692. Is that complete?
No, 848.
848. All right, thank you. Okay. All right, we'll follow up on that. You can log out. Thank you. The next person, please. So, user Uchenna Ekado, go ahead, please. You have an
Good afternoon. Sorry, I'm still in the office. I prepared since last year, September, and I got my approval on January. I think January 31st, and I remember that I was asked to send information to, I think, praise of them, and I did everything, but up to now I haven't gotten anything.
Okay.
I got my
Excuse me, what country do you live in?
Ecuador.
Who's handling Ecuador?
Ecuador. I'm the one here.
What is your name? Your son name?
Uchenna Hamilton Chukwu.
Uchenna Chukwu.
Yeah, Uchenna Chukwu. I'm the one here. And I received approval of the
What's your phone number, sir?
Okay, it's plus 593. Plus 593. 99990. That is 994. Okay. 4464.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, which did you find? No, I'm not talking to you.
Okay.
No, I don't see.
I'm the only one that applied from here.
I don't see it.
What month? You said it's last year, right?
Yes, last year. But approval came in January 31st. This year.
Do you have your BSA number?
Yes.
What is
BSA. BSA 896 24. Yes.
And you have your receipt for your payment?
That's exactly the receipt they sent to me. That's all I received. Because he said here, yes. He said special status ID, application form, something like that. Number, status waiting for approval then. Payment, yes, paid. Yes, that's the receipt I got here.
So we got your BSA number. 896.
There's no other receipt.
Yeah, we have the 896. We're gonna check on that.
Oh.
They're gonna check on that. We got the information we need from you. So anytime we're doing the application interview, you can also log in and we keep following up on that.
The line is not
clear. We have to find out. Excuse me. We have to find out the status of your application to know where it is. And then anytime, like every 2 weeks or whenever we do this capturing, you can log in and then follow up to know where the application is. You have your payment receipt, right? Do you have your payment receipt? Okay, so I think we lost you. Honorable Noella, Noella, do you say you applied for your ID card? Miss Noella.
Okay. Yes.
Did you say you've not received yours?
I have not. I applied on October 7th.
Of this year?
Yes, this year.
October 7th?
Yes. I have forwarded the receipt to your page.
Which
from Jana.
Hold on. Mr. Uchenna, we already captured you. You can log out. We already got the information we need. So you just have to have patience. We have to find out the status where your application is. You apply from Ecuador. Like I said, maybe during every capturing, when we send out this Zoom, you can log in and follow up. Maybe we'll have an update on where your ID card is, okay?
No problem, thank you.
Thank you, you're welcome. You can log out. I'm not, if you say you applied when, what month?
On October 7th of October.
And what name did you use to apply?
I use you mean the website?
Your name, yeah, which site? Where did you apply?
Let me open my page and then.
What name did you use?
I use OKK Teresa. If I want OKK Teresa, or if I want Teresa OKK, so thereabouts.
Teresa with a TH, right?
Yes, THERES. And if I want OKK.
Yes, yeah. Okay. It's not in this. Okay. So
then my husband is Felix NOKK.
Yeah, we don't have your information on the new website, so let's okay. And Felix, right?
Yes, Felix NOKK.
You have did he give you a BSA number? And if you say October should be recent. By October, we were not using I don't know where you applied, but you're not in the system at all. So probably, I don't know where you applied.
Where I used was Biafra Security Organization.
Yeah, but as of October, I think we have our website by then. Doesn't mean you were not following when we said
no.
Nobody should apply in that anymore.
No, we haven't, because that is website. This one I used was sent to me by from Jana. So and immediately he sent it to me, then I registered and I replied to her that I have registered.
You have your BSA number?
That it is.
Huh?
Let me
Okay. All right. So let's go to the next person while you pull that up again. Those that are applied on the BSA.
You haven't told me what to do.
Who?
Beatrice, you haven't told me what to do, because I have a BSA number and I have a transaction ID.
Beatrice, I think Beatrice Chimobie, right?
Yes, I have a BSA number.
Okay,
and I have a transaction ID number too.
When did you apply? What month?
I know I applied in I think in March, because then they were saying go and apply on the new website at that time. So, and that's where I applied. And when I submitted, they gave me a transaction number and the BSA number.
Beatrice Chinwe Obiabe, you did not apply on the new Biafran government website, Chinwe.
And I made my payment on the New Dimension website.
Again, maybe I think you were not following. That's why. But if you're following, what's your BSA number? What's your BSA number?
The BSA number is BSA-0425-25.
0425-25.
But there was no facial recognition done. I know that, and I made some attempts to call and make appointment.
So again, there is this criminal praise that used to help us. That I don't know. That was collecting money behind from people, telling them to go to one BSA. We don't use BSA website anymore for the United States of Biafra application. So this guy, I don't know if he's fraudulently collecting money from some of you. We don't use New Dimension mandate to raise money or to send money for Biafrans anymore. We have been doing that announcement. You can only use the United States of Biafra.org, and I posted that link here. Everyone can copy that. That is the only approved place where you can get the information about the government. Again, our Wells Fargo account is also active, but it's only Zelle. So anything that has to go through New Dimension mandate, don't do that anymore. Don't do that.
When I apply, I sell the money to new mandate. When I apply.
Okay, if you sell, that means we will get it. Okay, that's a good one. If you sell directly, we'll get it.
But on my own, it was like immediately after from Ghana sent that website, because it didn't look last up to 3 weeks or so. We changed another website. So it was the website she sent to me that I used that.
Exactly. Trust me.
But I sell the money to our New Dimension.
Okay, great. If you sell directly, don't worry about it. There's no problem. All we have to do, once we track that, we'll find a way to move those into the new site and push them forward.
I'll send the receipt to your page.
Okay. Yeah. If you sell directly, don't worry about that. That's okay. Yeah, that's fine. So you have your receipt. That's fine. Somebody was saying something. Yeah. Please, if we have addressed you, you can leave. I think the problems are just for the old ones, just the similar things that we're trying to. We're capturing those that. Miss Beatrice, you say you have your receipt, right? What's your phone number?
Yeah. My phone number is 770-572-3124.
Are you in Atlanta?
Yes, ma'am, in Woodstock.
3124. And you say you applied last year?
No, I think this year, March.
So your name, was never printed before, right? It's not the list was printed.
No, there wasn't even facial recognition done.
Okay, great. Okay. So we'll check on that. And possibly what they might do, once you send your receipt confirmation, what we're going to do is probably move that to the new site and then move that to those that will be among the third batch that they are going to print. That's okay. Just send we have your phone number, and then somebody's going to follow up on it. Mr. Ife, what phone number do you want them to reach you out to? What's the active phone number? Noella, what phone number? We missed her. She dropped off. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay. Okay. Let's go to Sujans. Go ahead. Sujans.
Yeah, good evening, DPM. I applied in October before the announcement of the
site. Okay.
yes. So, but I applied on Biafran Security Administration. Yeah.
And what's your name?
Nebo Chidiogo Sujams.
Nebo. Nebo.
Yes.
Chiwat.
Chidiogo.
Okay.
Sujams. Sujams.
SUJAMS. What's your phone number?
Oh, wait. I don't know how to call it in French.
What's your BSA number?
Okay. My BSA number is BSA-061 -25.
061-25. 061-25.
0601. Excuse me, sorry. BSA 0601.
0601-25.
Yes.
So probably these 25 are those that applied in 2024 using the wrong website. That's what it looks like. And what's your phone number?
My phone number is excuse me, sorry. +33 76 99 50 289.
289.
Yeah.
And it was this year, right?
Yeah, this year.
Okay. What month this year?
It should be on October.
Okay. Okay. Alright, so did you do any facial capturing or anything like that?
No.
Okay, great. Okay. So somebody's gonna follow up on that and then they'll get to you. And did you pay?
Yes.
Where did you pay? Did you do
the same site. Yeah, the same site. The Biafra. So I couldn't get receipt. It was showing pending, but everything marked good. You know when you paid, when everything went, it shows good.
Okay.
But I couldn't get receipt. Yeah.
Okay, so if you don't get receipt, I don't know. You may pay again. I don't know. Because we need the receipt to be able to move your listing to the new website. That's what we have to do for all these pending ones. Especially if you apply newly. So that may be an option. I don't know yet. But hopefully by the time we meet the next 2 weeks or next week, I don't know, somebody will have an answer for you and tell you what to do, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you. You can log out, please.
Okay,
all right, let's go to Sam C. Sam C, go ahead, please.
Good evening, Excellency.
Go ahead.
My own case, I have notified in my own state that my name is appeared, but I have not received my ID card.
What country are you at?
I'm in Germany.
Germany. Okay. When did you apply?
Before convention in.
Okay, so you were told that your ID has been printed. Honorable Chair, can you check in, please? What's your name?
Samuel Ani.
A-N-I, right?
Yeah, A-N-I-H.
What's your phone number?
+49 51 21 2 94 1102.
Plus 495.
Sorry, could you please come again? Samuel what?
Samuel Ani.
Can you come again with the
Yeah.
And A-N-A-I-H. Go ahead with the number again. Plus 495.
+49 51 21 29 4 1102.
All right. Do you have a BSN number?
No, I didn't have a number.
You said it was printed already. Okay, which is his name on those ones that are already printed that was sent out?
I need to get his name again.
You said Annie Samuel.
Annie Samuel Chidebere. No, Annie Samuel, not Chidebere. Annie Samuel. Surname Anna. Germany. Oh, where are you?
You don't have a PSN number?
No.
You say it's in Germany, right, Uche? You say you're in Germany, sir, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And they have confirmed my name is out, but I have not received the ID card.
Did you make your payment? Do you have your receipt?
I paid €100.
Do you have your receipt?
No, only the information that it was confirmed. And the last, I think this year, they sent names, the names that the ID card is already, and we saw it, to confirm it. They said I should wait. I'm waiting, I have not received it.
Honorable Mercy, I don't know, do you see him on the Germany list? If not, we have those pending 50-something IDs that are yet to be moved into the third batch. Because if it's going to be either in one of those places, then if not. Is Honorable Mercy here? Honorable Mercy, are you still here? Honorable Uche, that's Europe. Can you clarify on that for Germany?
Yeah, I'm looking here. We have somebody. We have somebody, but also has Chidebere attached to the name. So I'm wondering. He says he's not Chidebere, so I don't know.
He said it's only.
Can you confirm your month of birth? 10th October 1966. Okay, that's not you. It's not my name is Samuel Anne, not no Chidebere.
So 10-10-66, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not him. Is Honorable Mercy here? If not, we may need your receipt, sir, to see how you paid before we can move it to the new site for the third batch. If they already told you they find it, I don't know why it's not going to be.
Yeah, because when it's our scholar sent a message to me, and it says.
So Scholastic, I told you that it's among those that were printed?
Yeah.
Okay.
And my name is in the list. They sent it to us.
Okay, so we're going to follow up with her, and then hopefully during our next meeting, you can log in and see if we have any progress on your ID, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. You can log out, and let's go to the next person. Hold on 1 second, please. Hold on. Before you leave. Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Good. We have one Samuel Annie from Germany asking for his ID card. Do you know if it was among those printed or is it still pending? Samuel Annie.
Samuel Annie.
Yeah.
There's nothing on the name.
Yeah, because he said. Yeah, he said, no, the person is here. We're online right now. And he said that he talked with you and you told him, and again, I'll put you on voice. They said that you told him that his name was among those that have been cleared. He's in Germany, and I can give you his number. He says his name is Samuel Annie. So he's here now asking for his ID card So I don't know if you remember talking with him or the ones you distributed in Germany. Do you remember if his name was there? Samuel Andy.
I'm checking the remaining I have now.
Okay. All right.
The remaining ID card I have is I have somebody who come for.
No. This one is Samuel Annie. Sam, how many do you have left? How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them now.
5. Is there any Samuel Annie there? Annie. Samuel.
They are not like Samuel Annie. Somebody like Samuel Annie has never talked to me, so I don't.
Okay, so those 5 you have. Excuse me, sir. No, please. The 5 you have. Do you have a way? Are you planning to send it to them so that they don't keep calling us to request for?
I found 6, sorry. 6.
Okay. Do you have Samuel Annie there?
No.
Okay, those 6, you have a way of sending it to them so they stop calling us to disturb us, please?
These ones I have here, like I explained to the Honorable Messi, they are the people that say that the ID card is fake.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Yeah. Okay, but do you have their addresses? Okay. Okay, but again, regardless of what is there, yeah. Okay, I just want to confirm this guy. All right, thank you so much. All right, bye. Okay, so they don't have yours, Samuel. So what we're gonna do is, when you send your receipt, we can see if we're gonna move that. Again, we're gonna check again. We know there is 52 or 53 lists left to see. Honorable Chair, did you find him? If your name is there. If it's not there, then if it's on that 52, then that means those ones have been approved. We are moving those ones to the batch that is going to be printed for the 3rd batch. But if it's not there, and then that is where you might need to produce your payment, and then we can move it to the next batch.
Sorry, what is the person's name again?
And Samuel.
No, I couldn't. If it's Annie Samuel, unfortunately, I can't. Your name is not on this list.
Okay, so again, we got his information. I got his phone number. So, however, we're going to cross-check again the people that are going to work on these names. We're going to check again, and then if he's nowhere to be found, then we can now authorize him to do a new application on the United States of Biafra website. Mr. Samsi, that's all we're going to do, okay? So hopefully within the next meeting, we should be able to have a definitive answer to you, okay? Can you hear me? We cannot hear you, Samsi. Did you hear what I said?
Yes.
All right. So is that okay, right?
Let me wait.
All right, thank you. You can log out. Let's go to the next person. 1 plus CPH, put down your hand or you talk. I know I've called you before. What do you need?
Yeah, this is the 1 plus. My car, I registered since last year, even before the convention.
Okay, what's your name?
Emmanuel Boniface.
Emmanuel.
My camera?
Emmanuel, no. Boniface. Yeah, what's the last name?
Okoro.
Okay, what country?
Netherlands, yes.
What country?
Here in Netherlands.
Netherlands?
Yeah.
Netherlands.
some of my colleagues, they received their own laptop.
Endoland, what's your phone number, sir, please? What's your phone number?
Plus 31.
I can't hear you.
Plus 31.
Plus 31,
68. 444.
444, that's 444,
543.
543, okay. When did you apply? When?
I applied since August last year.
Okay, last year. Okay, August 2023, okay. Do you have your 24?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have your BSN? Do you have your BSN number?
Yeah.
What is it?
BSN dash 231 dash 25.
231
dash 25, yeah.
25. So I said you applied last year?
Yeah, it was approved. You know, they sent it for me, approved, and the payment start to pay.
Because I'm thinking that this one, that dash 25 was this year. And then again, this, what is the number? You say 231-25. That number, I'm not sure is complete based on what we'll be seeing here.
BSK, that's 231-25.
BSA 231-25.
Yeah.
Okay, because we are seeing 4 numbers after BSA.
The application number, yeah, and the application start to approve. Payment status paid.
Okay.
And the document was type 3.
The what?
Type D3. That is the type of the document according to what
D3.
Yeah, D3.
Okay. And that's for Emmanuel Boniface, okay, right?
Yeah.
So that D3, what status is that?
According to what here is just undocumented found.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay. All right. So again, you have your receipt of payment?
I put it here in office. There is another office here. Okoro Emmanuel. Yeah. Can you confirm your year, just the year of your birth? That's 30th of August 77. Okay, so we have his name on the list. We needed to, his name, it says, could not verify his identity. So we will, I think you can take his number. We have his application here, and it can be, I think we can schedule him for the.
You say what is on his own? What?
The commentary is that they could not verify his identity or something. They could not verify his identity. Yeah, because they're supposed to call me for the official questions, but they haven't called me since then.
So, Uche is on that 50-something list?
Yeah, this is on the list that,
Okay, Boniface, where are you? Where are you?
In the Netherlands.
Yeah, can I see you?
Maybe I should can open my camera.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Yeah, you can do that. You have the option to do that.
Well, it's not responding.
It's not responding?
Yeah.
But did anybody block him, please, on the admins? Because there's the option to start his video on my own side.
It's saying that you're unable to access camera.
Maybe your phone doesn't have camera. I mean, how does that affect us? Unable to access camera. Isn't that from your phone? I don't know, but
maybe he blocked it on his setting.
I don't know. So check your phone. But again, we have your listing, and probably you'll call back into the next meeting so we can authenticate who you are compared to what the document you submitted, and then At least you're lucky, you're among the ones we already have. So all we need to do is to push those into the third batch that we created. Thank you so much. So work on your phone and come back hopefully in the next 2 weeks when we have this interview again, capturing our next week. We're still trying to see we'll do it either every weekly or bi-weekly, but we're still going to send out this Zoom just like we did this time around, and then you can call in and then verify yourself. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much. God bless you. Thanks.
Thank you. You can log out. So we're just going to take 2 more people because we have another meeting, please. And if we didn't capture you today, you can come during the next capturing. But anybody here that has a appointment,
Can you please attend to me? I'm here since.
hold on. Anybody here that has an appointment today that has not been captured, because those are the major ones. We want to make sure that we capture those who have scheduled their appointment on the website during the application. So we don't want to miss those ones because we have so much names and we don't want this to be piling on. Again, the only place you can apply for your ID card at this time is UnitedStatesOfBiafra.org. I posted it is on the chat section. I believe everyone can see that. Also inform your friends, family members, so that they stop making the mistake of going to the BSA. We don't use the BSA anymore. Only the UnitedStatesOfBiafra.org. If you go in there, there's a space for apply for your ID, apply for your passport. Click on the one that says for the ID. Those are the only ones that the only place you can apply for your ID right now. So who was talking before? Go ahead, please. Thank you. Just one minute. Just take a few more of you and that's it.
Yeah, greeting. I'm among of those that are impending, so I don't know.
What is your name? What country?
Here in Africa, Gambia.
What's your name?
Ifeanyi Stanley.
Okay. When did you apply?
Apply before convention.
Okay. So you say you are
my wife. Yes. My wife applied to in March this year, earlier this year.
What is her name?
Ifeanyi Charity.
Okay. Did you get a DSL number?
Of course, I'm not with you right now.
Okay. What is your phone number?
715, or could I call the code Gambia 220?
Is that the code 220?
Yeah, plus 220. 715 0033.
That number is not complete. What is your phone number?
This is Gambia code plus 220 715 0033.
0033. Okay. And that's for Ifeanyi and that charity, right? Are you sure you don't have your PSN? Did you make your payment?
I see.
Of course, I did.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead.
Can you please confirm just again your year of birth, not your whole date of birth, just a year of birth.
What year were you born?
87.
87. Okay.
Okay, so we have you here, and
Can you have charity to the wife?
we don't have. Does she have a different? Let's say her Igbo name or something. We don't.
Charity. Her last name is Adobe.
Okay, we have Adobe.
Okay. So they are down to 50 something pending.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so we got you, Ifeanyi. What we're going to do is that your face? Can we see your face, Ifeanyi? Ifeanyi, where's your video?
Yeah, this is me.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we saw the one for you and your wife, and what we're going to do, we're going to move that to the one that is going to be printed with the third batch, okay? We got it.
We need them to.
Okay, ma, I'm really happy with this.
Hold on, Uche, you say what? Hold on. Which is
They need them to resend their passport picture. Their passport picture was not in order, so they need to resend.
which passport picture? The 2x2 or what?
Yeah, the 2x2, yes.
Okay, where are they gonna send it? If I need you're required to send that.
info@unitedstatesofbiafra.org and just simply use your name as the subject line.
If they need your 2x2 picture, is it for both of them?
Yes, both of them.
If they need your 2x2 picture, probably the one you sent was not clear.
Is it mine only or including my wife?
And your wife. Which you say what?
No, yeah, this is the.
Hold on, please. Whoever is talking. Which you say what?
No, I haven't said anything. I just confirmed that yes, for him and the wife.
Okay, good. So if just
Honorable Uche, good evening.
please hold on. Whoever is talking.
It's me, this is Dr. Nana.
Please stop talking. States of Biafra.org. Okay, info@United States of Biafra. Okay, great. So if I just on the chat section, you can email. Just take the 2x2 picture, you and your wife. Download it or take the screenshot and email that to the info@UnitedStatesOfBiafra.org. I just posted the email on this chat section. Did you get it? You're muted.
Yes, I got it.
You got it. Okay, thank you. Just do that, and that will complete your application. You can log out. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you for your good point.
All right, thank you.
Hello. Sorry, this is Dr. Nana speaking. Honorable Uche, please, does this apply to the other 6 applicants? Should they send their passports as well? Because Ifeanyi Stanley was among the 72 list, together with the other applicants.
And they are from Gambia?
Yes.
Okay, so again, you can send the name to Uche. The remaining people, at least you already cleared Ifeanyi and Charity. So the remaining people, you can send their names, text it to Uche, and he can check that too. But if they are not here, there's no way we can solve their problem. Unless maybe you did the application for them, right?
Yeah, I assisted most of them.
Okay, great. So just send to Uche the remaining names, and then I believe they'll be on those 53 that is pending.
All right.
Okay, we just take one more, and then please go ahead. I know somebody.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Your question, Mike.
Good evening.
I'm calling from France. I want to validate my application for ID card.
Do you have an appointment today?
Yes.
Okay, so we finished taking all the people that have appointment today. You were late. You're just coming in now, right?
I was at work, so I just finished
What
work.
is your name?
My name is Mbefil Gabriel from France.
Please, are you still here, please?
Yes, Mbefil Gabriel from France.
Go ahead.
Yes, Your Excellency.
Can you check this person? You say he has appointment today, please. You say your name is what?
Mbefil Gabriel.
Ibe.
Just give me a sec.
You say what's Ibe where?
No, not Ibe. M-B-E. Yes.
M-B-E.
Yes.
Okay, no.
Faith Gabriel. Applied through the United States of Biafra.org. Yes. I have my PP.
No, you did not apply. You're not here, sir. You are not.
There's no government.
You did not apply to the United States of Biafra. So probably you applied to the DSA. You are the old system. You are not on the system.
I applied to the Biafra Security Administration.
Oh, that's what, so we're not doing, you don't have an appointment today. Well, we are talking about those that apply to the United States of Biafra.org that have appointments today. So,
his name is not here.
So what happens?
His name is not here.
When did you, when did you apply?
I applied on November 27th.
Where in the United States of Biafra, that's it. We don't use that site anymore. We don't use that.
Sorry, I applied October 6, 2025 at 10:49 p.m.
Again, what's the website to apply? Again, we are not, I don't know, we are no longer using that website for application of our ID card.
So those of us who applied on that website.
Not those of just you that applied there. Didn't you get the information where to apply? You, not those. You and
this was the information we were given in France mission at the time on the 6th of October 2025. They are the ones who sent me this letter too.
Who gave you the information?
I didn't join the Zoom on my own account. I joined the Zoom because my mission just sent me the Zoom link to join the Zoom.
What is your name? What is your name?
My name is Gabriel.
Gabriel who?
Faith Gabriel.
MBE.
Yes.
Where did you pay?
For 30s. I paid here in France people. They gave me a Fidelity account name at Amatu Malcolm.
Fidelity. That is, you paid in the Homeland account. You paid in the Homeland account. Because that's the Homeland account. And we're not doing application for Homeland people, so I don't know what you're talking about. And I think Divine, we can hear you. I don't even know you're talking, but nobody hears you. So we lost him. Again, I think Mazil Chena, go ahead. I think that would be the last person we take today, please. And then go ahead.
Good evening, my DBM.
Go ahead.
I have one of Biafran brother here, Mazi Stanley. He applied.
Stanley who?
Stanley. Explain to yourself.
Stanley
who?
Aroiwa.
When did you apply?
18 April 2025.
Stanley, what's your last name?
Aroiwa. AIROH.
AIROH. YUWA.
Yeah, his name is here.
Under the what?
Under the new website.
And then you say you applied when, Stanley?
18
It says December 5th.
Okay, I got it. You said +1 under the hold on 1 second.
But it says donated. It says donated.
Completed donation processing. Donated and processing. I don't know if the money has been confirmed. Did you pay?
Yes.
Did the money go through?
Yes.
Okay, let me see.
I mean, if I heard correctly, you mentioned April, so I don't know where the 5th December
But
came.
it can never be April. He doesn't even know when he applied. It's not April. He said donation completed. So when did you do the application? When did you apply?
I can see the date 18 April 2025.
2025. We've not started using the USB website in April. The United States of Biafra website they started using it in October.
I was with him the day he made this application, but I was asking him the
To check his
So
email.
probably, why is he on the USB and it was in April done? I can't figure that out. I'm able to check. What happened?
Check. They sent him email. I asked him to check his email because from email they will you will find when
with the USB he already made a donation, so it has nothing to do with an application.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so that does a donation.
No. He applied for the ID card. He paid.
I know. He applied for the ID card using the BSA, but I think he has made donation using the United States of Biafra website. That's why his name was showing. But again,
he have his
listen.
BSA number.
Hold on. Yeah. So, Mouthpiece, he didn't apply for his ID.
Yes, it's a donation, yes.
Okay. What's your BSA number again? What's your BSA number? Go ahead, please.
My BSA number is 04 559 -25.
-25. What's your phone number?
Malta 77 +3577 131 570.
131 570. Okay.
So can you give your name once again? Let me check.
Stanley Arroyo. It's on the website. On the it says Stanley Arroyo. It's on the site as donation. That's Stanley, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Arroyo.
So what you say you're in Malta, right?
Yes, in Malta. Yes.
I mean, can you check for Europe, right? If he was on the 53 ending.
That's what I'm trying to confirm. Can you?
Yes, Honorable, kindly confirm my BSA number. BSA 056625.
Can you hear me?
Honorable Chair, what are you saying?
I think his name. And he needs to say his name once more.
Uche, his name
Oh, your name.
is Stanley
Your name.
AIROHUOYUWA.
Okay.
AIRHU. Is that correct?
Uche, his name is on the United States of Biafra website as donation. Still the same name. Just Stanley AIRH. That will pull him. So if he's from Europe, Malta, his name is and he said he applied April. Please hold on, whoever is saying this April 2024-25. So his name is gonna be on the
I think the Stanley, repeat your number to her.
Please, we got it.
The number correct.
Please, I got the number. We got it, man. We got the number.
I think one of the numbers was wrong.
What's the BSL number?
The BSA number is 056625.
What's the BSL number?
056625.
Stanley, we're asking Stanley, please, the BSL number.
Okay, the BSA number is sorry, I check 1 minute. Sorry.
Okay.
Hello, madam. The BSA is 0459-25.
Okay, good. All right. Honorable Chair, did you see that?
No, his name is not here.
Okay, so all right. So what we're gonna do is your name is gonna be among those they are gonna check, Mr. Stanley, to see the status. You said you have your receipt. Where did you pay?
We have this receipt. I have my receipt here.
Well, from what side? Where is your receipt? Where? Did you say directly where? From
From the same
from the same PSA.
yeah, the same website for the ID card. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna check on that. So hopefully, when we're gonna do our next capturing, you can also log in, and then all this information, somebody's gonna go in and check. If it's those in the BSA where you did your application and we confirm the payment, we'll likely move it to the new site where we're going to move it to the next batch of ID to be printed. So it's going to be printed under the United States of Biafra website. We have your number. Those that are going to make this move may probably call you to either work with you to make that transition or get more information if they needed it, like your address and all that, which you're going to capture on the new site. But I don't know if you found anything else.
But that doesn't mean that there are people that are to be attended. I'm having the same problem with this guy, but you are
Passy, we already got you. Hold on 1 second. Hold on.
Can I call my BSA number?
Divine Azubike, when did you apply? When did you apply?
April. I have my BSA number too. I have paid. It has been approved. What I paid. Is even tracking this thing.
And your name is what?
That's Divine Azubike.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
I also have my BSA number.
What's your BSA number? What's your BSA number, Azubike? Did we lose him?
Can I call my own?
No. Please hold on, no. Because we're not going to take everyone today. So is that Gabriel?
Yes, Gabriel. Gabriel, yes. BSA number.
Hold on. Okay, hold on. Because, okay, Gabriel, okay, right?
Yes.
You say your BSA number. When did you apply?
I applied on the 6th of October, 2025.
And what's your BSA number?
The BSA number is 0566-25.
0566-25.
Yes.
What country do you live in?
I live in France.
What country do you live in?
France, Asia.
France.
Yes.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is plus 33.
Start all over. What's your phone number?
Plus 33. 74. 65. 34. 796.
Okay, 796. Okay. So these are mostly new applicants on the BSA. Okay. You say you made a payment? You have your receipt?
Yes, I have my receipt. My head of mission confirmed it, Honorable Johnson.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
can I say something?
Right.
Yes.
I think all these people that are doing October 6th, they did it on BSA because we haven't started.
Yeah. It's all of it. And again, it's all on BSA. That's why again we If again, as of October, I know the new website was October. The new United States of Biafra website was functional in October, so I don't know how.
No, it was October ending, first week of October. It wasn't functional then.
Yeah, it was October ending. So again, what we're saying is, and Mr. Gabriel, when you make your payment, did you use Zelle or did you pay to the New Dimension mandate? How did you make your payment? Or
I tried making the payment on the site. It was giving me issues. So I called the head of mission. They provided me an alternative Nigeria bank account, a UBA bank account, with account number 655-7275253. The name on the account is Amadou Mala, and the direction on the transfer was USB ID card.
I know our homeland account from the is that the old one? I know it's Fidelity.
It's Fidelity. It's Fidelity. Amadou Amam is Fidelity.
And Jeroma is not Fidelity, and then the other guy is he UBA too? I'm not sure. How much do you pay, sir? Daddy.
The time $100 was at 150,000, so I paid 150,000.
Okay.
The exchange rate at the time, yes.
So you said the account number ended in what?
The account number ended in 253.
253. And you say it's a UBA account?
No, a Fidelity bank account.
Fidelity, okay. From the?
Yes, that's Fidelity.
Okay, ends in 253. Okay, all right. All right, okay. So,
Madam was you wasn't you were talking to me before.
Okay, Divine, hold on 1 second. Yes, I'm coming, please. Give me 1 minute. What's your PSN number, Divine?
004 36 /25.
Where did you make your payment?
That was on USB then.
When? What month did you apply?
That was on April.
What country do you live in?
France.
Okay.
And it was approved. Everything was approved.
Where did you make your payment?
I can't really remember except if I should go through the details because I made the payment through our coordinator send me the details.
Okay, so we need to have that. So again, we captured you. And what's your phone number? Go ahead. Hold on. Your number.
And you before that you interviewed me before I made that payment. It's
I
like
you for what? For what?
ID. Because I'm an asylum seeker. You know. So somebody interviewed me, which I
So you said somebody, not you, me. I did not interview you.
Okay.
Yeah, what's your phone number?
0733
Is that the code? Is it +07 or what?
plus 33
Uh-huh.
744 26 344
267 what?
26. Let me be sure. 269 344.
269 344 269. Okay. All right. Okay. So we're gonna follow up on that, and then somebody is gonna follow up. Hopefully, you'll be able to provide a receipt. And what's gonna happen, like we said, all the people that are pending application from the Miss I don't want Miss Mary. I don't know. You say you applied on not is on the old one. Mary, Azubike too, and Beatrice. Beatrice Chimobi, are you here? Okay. Mary Ike, Mary, unmute yourself. Mary Ike, unmute yourself. Your hand is still up. And Uche John Mwafo. Are you here? I think those are the people that are similar.
But madam, sorry, that number is not on WhatsApp. I don't know if there's a problem.
Yeah, nobody's gonna contact you. Sorry about that.
You said nobody's gonna contact me?
Yes. You can follow up with Uche or Honorable Christopher.
Well, and then I have my WhatsApp. Then let me give you my WhatsApp number then. Sorry.
Go ahead.
+33. 744. 11. 99. 65.
Yeah. Okay. So I think that is all we have to take for today. We've already passed 2 hours.
Here from Homeland. My DP from Homeland.
What from Homeland? We're not doing ID card for Homeland. We're not doing Homeland ID yet.
Please, please, can I ask you, please? I've been here for like almost 1 hour now, please.
That's more than much, man.
What is your question? Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much.
Zoom user, go ahead. What?
Okay. I applied for my ID card on October. Mazi Jidofo here, coordinator of Netherlands, helped me to make the payment on October. So I want to know when I will be expecting the ID card.
What website did you use to apply?
I used the Biafra Security website, the one he sent to me.
What is your name? What country?
Holland, Holland, Netherlands.
Do you have your BSN number?
Yeah, I have
What is it?
054425.
Okay. And you made your payment, right?
Yeah. He paid for me. I sent the money to him, so he paid for me.
Okay, so we're gonna. What's your phone number?
Okay, my WhatsApp number. +31 68 70 92 817.
817. Okay.
Yeah, that is my phone number.
All right, somebody is gonna follow up on this, and hopefully during the next capturing, we'll have an update. But definitely, if you made your payment, it will likely be on the 3rd batch of our ID cards, which we are compiling right now.
All right, thank you. Thank you
so much, everyone. And I think that's all we have to take for today. Sorry if we can't get to you. We have another meeting. You can call it during our next capturing. And again, I thank everyone for calling in today to make this a huge success. If we don't get to you, please follow up. Miss Mary, I can see your hand still up. Please follow up during our next capturing and let us know whatever your application is in the process. We'll find a way to accommodate you and find a way to navigate around some of the challenges we've been having from people that are trying to make this job more difficult for us. So again, I thank all those that follow the process to go to the United States of Biafra site and do their application, schedule their appointment, and we verify them today. At least that shows our system is working effectively, and we all should be very proud of that. And on that note, those that are pending hopefully by the next capturing, we'll be able to give you information on where the application process is. Again, no one should use the BSA website for any application anymore. Again, we are going to give grace to those people who have done that before the United States of Biafra website become functional. That is why we are considering this. Anyone that started or do the application after the United States of Biafra website has been launched, and we've told the world this is where you need to go and apply for your ID card or passport. Anyone that applies differently from that site after that, if you come here for anything, you have to go back to the United States of Biafra website and pay again and submit all the information required. On that note, I thank you all for coming today, and we'll see you during the next capturing. We will always send out on Zoom, so be on the lookout for that. I don't know if there's any cabinet member that has anything to say. I think we're not accepting anybody else. Fati, I don't know if there's anything.
No, I don't have anything to say.
All right. Thank you so much, dear friends, and see you during our fundraising on Saturday.
Point on DPM.
Bye, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.